Beatbox Sound. In this activity, we learn how to play a series of vocal sounds. For this activity, choose cat and one more sprite, microphone, choose a backdrop, bedroom, 3, now arrange the sprites on the stage. Now choose the sprite microphone and start adding script. Start the script with when space key is pressed and select this two. B. Now play the sound by using this start sound block with a rhythm bass beatbox. Now drag a wait block to stop the program for 0.25 seconds. Again, now add start sound block and insert pick random block from the operator blocks and give the number to 9 and go to sounds tab and see how many sounds does the microphone has. Now go back with the code tab and add one more wait block at the end of the script with the time 0.25 seconds. Now press the button B. Now I want to repeat this code for 4 times. For that, here I am using a repeat block and inserting the code inside. Now expand the stage and press the button B. Now go to untitled box and give the name Beatbox Sound. Save your project by clicking on Save Now. Thank you for watching the video.